Music and mathematics may seem like separate disciplines, but beneath the surface lies a deep and ancient connection. Throughout history, great thinkers have recognized this profound relationship. Pythagoras, the Greek mathematician, famously discovered the mathematical ratios that govern musical harmony. He observed that plucking a string at different lengths produced consonant intervals like the octave and the perfect fifth. These ratios, expressed as simple fractions, revealed the underlying mathematical order in music. This understanding of music as a mathematical art form persisted through the centuries. During the medieval period, music was considered one of the four essential subjects of the quadrivium, alongside arithmetic, geometry, and astronomy. This grouping underscored the belief that music, like these other disciplines, trained the mind in logic, pattern recognition, and abstract thinking. The Renaissance further cemented the bond between music and mathematics. Leonardo da Vinci, a polymath of unparalleled genius, saw both disciplines as expressions of universal harmony. He believed that the principles of proportion and perspective, crucial to his art, were also fundamental to music. This enduring connection is not merely philosophical. The human brain processes music and math in similar ways, suggesting a deep-rooted neurological link. Let's delve into the fascinating world of neuroscience to understand how music shapes our brains for mathematical thinking. Music, a powerful force that stirs the soul, also has a profound impact on the physical structure and function of our brains. Neuroscience research reveals that musical training, particularly in childhood, leads to significant changes in brain anatomy and activity. These changes enhance not only musical abilities, but also cognitive skills crucial for mathematics. Playing a musical instrument, for example, engages multiple brain regions simultaneously. The motor cortex controls the precise movements of our fingers. The auditory cortex processes the sounds we produce, and the visual cortex may be involved in reading sheet music. This intricate coordination strengthens neural connections, particularly in the corpus callosum, the bridge that connects the brain's left and right hemispheres. This enhanced communication between hemispheres is vital for many complex cognitive tasks, including mathematical reasoning. Furthermore, music training improves working memory, the ability to hold and manipulate information in mind. Musicians often perform complex pieces from memory, requiring them to retain sequences of notes, rhythms, and musical phrases. This constant exercise strengthens the working memory capacity, which is essential for mathematical calculations and problem solving. The brain, it seems, is a remarkably adaptable organ, and music acts as a potent sculptor, shaping it in ways that benefit mathematical thinking. Let's explore further how these brain changes translate into tangible improvements in math skills. The cognitive benefits of musical training extend far beyond the concert hall, reaching into the realm of mathematics. Numerous studies demonstrate a strong correlation between music education and enhanced math abilities in children. Music, it appears, primes the brain for numerical fluency and abstract reasoning. Spatial temporal reasoning, the ability to visualize and manipulate objects in space and time, is crucial for success in geometry and calculus. Musicians excel in this area, likely due to their experience with musical notation, which represents time horizontally and pitch vertically. Reading and interpreting music strengthens the brain's spatial temporal processing, making complex mathematical concepts more intuitive. Furthermore, music cultivates a keen sense of pattern recognition, a fundamental skill in mathematics. Melodies, harmonies, and rhythms are all built on patterns, and recognizing these patterns is essential for musical comprehension. This heightened sensitivity to patterns transfers to other domains, including recognizing numerical sequences, understanding algebraic equations, and solving complex mathematical problems. The evidence is compelling. Music is not just an art form, but also a powerful tool for sharpening the mind and strengthening mathematical abilities. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of music theory to uncover the hidden mathematical structures embedded within. Music may evoke emotions and tell stories, but beneath its artistic surface lies a world of intricate mathematical structures. Understanding these structures deepens our appreciation for music and sheds light on its profound connection to mathematics. Consider the diatonic scale, the foundation of Western tonal music. This 7-note scale, with its characteristic pattern of whole and half steps, is based on mathematical ratios discovered by the ancient Greeks. The intervals between notes in the scale, such as the octave 2-to-1 ratio and the perfect fifth 3-to-2 ratio, can be expressed as simple fractions, revealing the inherent mathematical order in music. Rhythm, another fundamental element of music, also relies on mathematical principles. Time signatures, indicated as fractions at the beginning of musical pieces, dictate the grouping of beats. The precise division of time into measures, beats, and subdivisions creates a rhythmic framework that is both mathematically precise and aesthetically pleasing. Harmony, the combination of different pitches played simultaneously, further illustrates the mathematical underpinnings of music. Chords, the building blocks of harmony, are created by combining notes based on specific mathematical intervals. The intricate relationships between chords in a musical progression follow mathematical rules, demonstrating the elegant interplay between logic and artistry. Music, therefore, is not merely a collection of sounds, but a complex tapestry woven with mathematical threads. By understanding these hidden structures, we gain a deeper appreciation for both the art of music and the elegance of mathematics. Proof in the harmony research and case studies on music and math. The link between music and math is not merely a philosophical notion. It's a well-documented phenomenon supported by extensive research and compelling case studies. Numerous studies have investigated the impact of music education on mathematical abilities, consistently revealing a positive correlation. A landmark study published in the journal Nature found that children who received music lessons scored significantly higher on standardized tests of spatial temporal reasoning than those who did not. This cognitive skill, crucial for success in geometry and calculus, is significantly enhanced by musical training. Another study by researchers at the University of California, Irvine, demonstrated that preschoolers who participated in a music program showed significant improvements in their ability to recognize and replicate patterns, a fundamental skill for mathematical thinking. These findings suggest that early exposure to music can have a lasting impact on a child's cognitive development. Case studies further illustrate the profound influence of music on mathematical ability. Albert Einstein, the renowned physicist, was a passionate violinist. He often spoke about the interconnectedness of music and mathematics, claiming that music helped him to think through complex scientific problems. The evidence is clear. Music is not just an extracurricular activity, but a powerful tool for boosting cognitive skills and enhancing mathematical abilities. Unfortunately, despite these compelling benefits, music education is facing challenges in many parts of the world. Despite the overwhelming evidence of its cognitive and academic benefits, music education is facing a disheartening decline in many parts of the world. Budget cuts, an increased emphasis on standardized testing and core subjects, and a societal shift towards STEM fields have all contributed to the marginalization of music in education. This trend has alarming consequences. As music programs disappear from schools, so too do opportunities for children to develop crucial cognitive skills, foster their creativity, and experience the joy of musical expression. The decline of music education represents a loss not only for the arts but also for the intellectual and emotional development of our children. The consequences extend beyond the individual. A society deprived of music is a society diminished in its capacity for empathy, creativity, and innovation. Music has the power to unite, inspire, and transcend cultural boundaries. Its absence leaves a void that cannot be filled by other subjects. It is imperative that we reverse this trend and restore music to its rightful place in education. By investing in music programs, we invest in the cognitive, social, and emotional well-being of future generations. Reversing the decline of music education requires a multifaceted approach, involving educators, policymakers, parents, and the community at large. Here are some practical strategies for integrating music into education at various ages. Early childhood. Interactive music classes. Engaging young children in music through singing, dancing, and playing simple instruments stimulates brain development and fosters a love for music. Musical storytelling. Integrating music into storytelling enhances language development, memory, and emotional intelligence. Elementary school recorder programs. Teaching recorder introduces children to musical notation, rhythm, and basic music theory in an accessible and engaging way. School choirs and bands. Participating in musical ensembles promotes teamwork, discipline, and a sense of accomplishment. Middle and high school. Music technology. Integrating music software and digital audio workstations allows students to explore music composition, production, and performance using modern tools. Music history and appreciation. Studying the evolution of music across cultures and time periods broadens students' perspectives and deepens their understanding of history and society. By implementing these strategies and advocating for the importance of music education, we can create a future where every child has the opportunity to experience the transformative power of music. The benefits of music education extend far beyond the classroom, enriching our lives in countless ways. Music is a universal language that transcends cultural boundaries, fostering communication, understanding, and empathy. Playing music in a group, whether in an orchestra, band, or choir, teaches teamwork, discipline, and the importance of collaboration. It requires individuals to synchronize their efforts, listen attentively to one another, and work together to create a harmonious whole. Furthermore, music provides an outlet for self-expression, allowing individuals to communicate their emotions, thoughts, and experiences in a creative and meaningful way. It can be a source of solace, joy, and inspiration, enriching our lives and the lives of those around us. The enduring gifts of music education are not limited to cognitive enhancement or academic achievement. Music nurtures our souls, expands our horizons, and connects us to something larger than ourselves. The Symphony of Numbers, the intricate and beautiful relationship between music and mathematics, resides within each of us. By embracing music education, we unlock the potential of this symphony, fostering not only mathematical proficiency, but also creativity, empathy, and a lifelong love of learning. As we move forward, let us champion the importance of music education, ensuring that every child has the opportunity to experience the transformative power of music. By nurturing the symphony of numbers within each student, we create a more harmonious and enlightened future for all. Continue your journey with us today. If you're ready to explore the fusion of science and spirituality for yourself, and to learn more about the Symphony of Numbers, how music supercharges math skills, creativity, and brain power, visit our Mystics and Metrics blog on our website at fusionofknowledge.com. Sign up for our free newsletter to learn more about our masterclasses and to receive a free ebook on light energy medicine. You can also take advantage of our free Life Force Navigation Report, where you can receive a personalized quantum human design assessment to gain insight into your unique energetic blueprint. Thanks for watching.